Have you ever wondered where the future of social media is headed? As we journey through 2024, the landscape of social media continues to morph and evolve, bringing with it a slew of exciting new trends. Diving right into it, one of the most prominent trends on the horizon is the rise of augmented reality. This technology is no longer just a sci-fi fantasy. It's here, and it's redefining how we interact on social media. Augmented reality is allowing us to create immersive experiences that blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds, enabling us to share our stories in more engaging and innovative ways. Another trend that's making waves in the social media ocean is the proliferation of AI-powered chatbots. These digital assistants are becoming more sophisticated, capable of providing personalized responses and even engaging in natural-sounding conversations. They're not just customer service tools anymore. They're becoming integral parts of brand personalities, connecting with audiences on a more personal level. Next up, we have the rise of ephemeral content. This is content that's only available for a short duration and then disappears forever. Think Snapchat stories or Instagram reels. This type of content is perfect for the fast-paced, always-on-the-go world we live in, where attention spans are shorter than ever. It creates a sense of urgency, encouraging immediate engagement. And let's not forget about the surge in voice and visual search. With the advent of voice assistants and visual search tools, the way we find and consume content is rapidly changing. This shift is forcing brands to rethink their SEO strategies and find new ways to be discovered online. Finally, there's the growing importance of social commerce. Social platforms are transforming into digital storefronts, integrating shopping features right into their interfaces. This trend is making it easier than ever for consumers to discover and purchase products, all without leaving their favorite social media apps. In summary, the future of social media is shaping up to be a fascinating blend of technology and creativity. We're witnessing the rise of augmented reality, the evolution of AI-powered chatbots, the increasing popularity of ephemeral content, the shift towards voice and visual search, and the growing prominence of social commerce. These trends are not just changing how we use social media, they're redefining how we connect, share, and engage with the world around us. So, as we navigate this ever-changing landscape, remember, it's not just about jumping on the latest trend, it's about understanding how these trends can enhance your brand's story, create meaningful connections, and deliver value to your audience. In this new era of social media, the possibilities are truly endless.